What's goody good, y'all? It's your boy mackmotivates, and I'm doing a little unboxing here. Now this here is to all my videographers and photographers that need lighting. This right here, what I have is a smallrig, the LED light. Look at that, smallrig, big dream, right? If you are into cameras and whatnot, you know that they make quality parts. So when I seen this on TikTok shop, I was like, okay, is this really smallrig? And sure enough, it's really smallrig. So this thing here is just an LED light, and it's straight to the point. Power on. That light is super bright, and you can see those LEDs there, and you can control them by turning it down and up. Also, you can control the coolness or the warmth of this. So you click it and then watch this, and we're changing it to, bam, a cool white. Look at that. All right, so I do that on there. So boom, you can take the pictures, have the lighting that you need. Has a cold shoot right there on the side. You can just put that in there, slide that on, connect it to your camera, and look at that. That is insane. Guys, when I tell you this thing is cheap, it comes in at only just about under $10. And you can get it right here. Just click right here, and you can order yours today. I know it sounds salesy, but man, when I have a good item in hand, I cannot. I just have to share it. You know what I mean? Down, turn it up. You got your yellow. Oh, that's so crazy. It's rechargeable. Turn it right off, turns off, and it recharges right there. Guys, get yours today, man. Smallrig.